Hello, I'm Dario and I'll be showing you some of the features and benefits of the Renault Master Low Loader. The vehicle is brand new and it's covered under manufacturer warranty. We also applied a triple layer of Gardex nano coat over the paint to make sure no trees-up, acidity or rain will affect it for time to come. This specific exemplar is in the RED trim by Renault Trafic, which grants you LED daytime running lights, extended chrome trims over the front grille, half fabs for the 16 inches rims, electrically adjustable mirrors, and as I mentioned, this one is a Luton low loader. We'll take a better look into the loading area in a bit. At the rear, it's fitted with a sliding door. And as usual, like every Renault Master, you have the fuel flap over here to the passenger side, while the AdBlue flap is located beside the driver's door. Let's take a look into the loading bay. As you can notice over the rear, you have two latches which can be fitted with the security lock. And once you open the sliding door, you have access to the massive loading area, which is 437 centimeters long over the floor. You have a width in between the two wheel arches housings, which are also evenly shaped, of 140 centimeters, while the actual width in between the two walls is exactly 200 centimeters. And then you have a height to the roof of 258 centimeters or 255 centimeters to the roof ribs. As you can see, you also have LED lighting to give you visibility at any time of the day. And you have wood ply lining coverage over the rear of the bulkhead. Let's take a look at the cabin. Once you access the cabin, you can see you have a 3-seat configuration with an independent and fully adjustable driver's seat and a 2-seat bench for the passengers. As I mentioned before, this one is in the red trim, which has got the signature red seat belts and contrast stitching over the charcoal seats. Once you get in, you have a couple more features exclusive to the red edition, like the infotainment unit with a digital trip computer, but more on that later, and this rear view digital mirror. Once you take possession of the driver's seat, you have an analog dashboard with a digital trip computer. The steering wheel is multifunction and is fitted with the controls for the cruise controls over to the left and the right. And just behind the steering wheel itself, you have the stalk for the light, which are automatics. And over to the right, the stalk for the wipers and the infotainment. A bit further down the right, you have the dial for the headlight level. And over to the driver's armrest, you got the controls for the power windows and power mirror. As I mentioned before, the vehicle is fitted with a Renault Connect unit, which has got navigation system as per red specs, also fitted with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay through the USB cable, and an auxiliary port in 3.5 jack to input any audio system. And then just above, you have a 8 inches screen for the digital rear view mirror. And just underneath the infotainment, you got the controls for the grip extend toggle, which is really useful, especially if you're driving through mud or gravel, the auto start and stop, the eco mode toggle, and the central locking unit. And then just below, you have the air conditioning unit controls, the cruise controls activator, and the speed limiter as well. And One more neat feature of the red trim level is this signature gear knob for the transmission, which is also 6 gear. And these are some of the features and benefits of the Renault Master Low Loader. For any inquiries, feel free to call us.